Hello, guys. Welcome, all of you who are willing to switch your career to AI and ML and any machine learning enthusiasts. So, I'm Jinendra Bogavath. I'm working as a senior AI engineer, and this is to introduce my new updated course for 2026 that is Complete Machine Learning 3 months program. And even this is 3 months program. This has several hours per week. We will be allocating 10 hours for our course, and per month there will be 40 hours, and altogether in these 3 months it will be 120 hours altogether. 120 hours plus course. This is 120 hours plus course, and we will be allocating 5 hour 2 days per week because of your busy schedule. That's the way we are delivering the course, and I will be explaining what is the content and why this course is one of the most promising and dominating course in Sri Lanka. The reason is you can find any course related to machine learning. There are free courses available in YouTube, but those are given some basics and some background related to machine learning. If you are if you are an undergraduate, or if you are non-tech guy, to get something about machine learning and AI, those are sufficient. But if you want to reach to the industry standard way, that means if you want to get into the industry, mid-level engineer or more than that one, so you want to have a very solid background. You want to have great mathematics skills, and you want to have the relevant machine learning experience. You want to do some projects which are relevant to the industry, what industry is willing to see from you. Those things you should have. What I have seen these couple of months, the students and the guys who have finished their degrees related to machine learning, related to computer science or IT, they are complaining that they have done the degree, but they do not have internship. They do not have jobs, and there are some layoffs are occurring, that way there are some complaints. But if you have the right skills, right package, if you have the solid background, then you are not replacing from any other. So my target is to build a person with that solid background. So I will be explaining what are the things which will be covering in our course. This is a full 3 months program. Full 3 months means per week we will be allocating 2 days, and those 2 days altogether we will be covering 10 hours, and per month then it will be 40 hours, and all the complete program there will be 120 plus hours. And within those 120 hours we will be doing four industry applicable, commercialized, scalable four projects. We will be doing those four projects, and you will be these projects you are doing by your own. I will be explaining the things, and I will be doing the things in my way, and you are not just copy and pasting the things in the YouTube video. What you are doing, you are understanding the concepts, and you are doing the project, because I will be doing one particular project. You are not doing the same project. You will be I will be guiding your project, that you will be doing your innovative project. That means you will be finding a particular problem which is existing in the real world, and you will be submitting that proposal to me, and after that you are working with that project. I will be guiding and I will be helping, and because we will be seeing some common issues with the projects, and while I'm working with my project, because I'm screen sharing and coding and doing my project, and while seeing that project, you can understand what are your issues and how to do the things. And there can be some part of the things what you want to know to do the implementation. So in that case, you can ask help from me. And this in this era, in this time, the implementation is not a big problem, because that there are several tools available to do the implementation. But the thing is having the mindset of doing the things, and the knowledge of building scalable, commercialized, industry ready projects. That's the thing what you should have, right? I will be explaining what is my curriculum here, right? This is the 90 days AI engineering map. That means this is our complete machine learning course. So this is from very basics to agentic AI and ML ops, machine learning operations. That means we will be doing production ready projects, which after completing these four projects and putting those four projects in your portfolio, any person will hire you. They can understand that you have the right mindset and right skill set. Okay, and I will help you how to market yourself to get you hired. So this is fully practical oriented, and also you will be learning all the theoretical concepts, and also you will be publishing your own research paper as well. So, in this roadmap, the first month is allocated for predictive modeling. In that duration, you will be building a strong foundation skills. That means the traditional machine learning things, and the supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and all those algorithms related to those things, and the mathematics behind them, you will be understanding. In the second month, we will be allocating for deep learning and generative AI. There you will be understanding the modern neural networks. Uh, and the third month, that is the modern things, but in the 2026 expected things, that is agentic AI and machine learning operations. And there we will be built-in production-ready AI systems. And this type of course is not available in Sri Lanka or any other, because they are not giving this type of complete solid background, because this type of solid background can give you a person who is in the academia and who is also cooperating with the industry sector. So I have the experience of delivering scalable commercialized applications. So I believe that the things what I have experienced, what I have understood, the my pain points, and the same pain points I can explain to you how to build those systems in a very smart way. Because these days you are not you do not want to waste your time, because you can get the help for your implementation from AI tools. But the design of the things, design of the project, and the understanding of the project, and to scale the project and the things, you have to have the proper knowledge. uh, so the first month, the if we focus the things what we are going to discuss in the first month, we will be discussing about the data manipulation and the EDA and the mathematical intuition behind ML, and also the classical ML algorithms, and also what are the industry standards in tabular AI systems. So, in the goal of the first month is transform raw data into high quality predictive systems. And if we consider about week by week the things what we are going to discuss in the first month, I have mentioned it as the scientific Python and EDA process. The core topics are the NumPy fundamentals and the vectorization techniques, and also pandas for data wrangling, and handling how to handle the missing values, and feature engineering basics. These are the core skills. Okay, then after doing that one, that duration, what you are gaining, you can transform messy the CSV data sets. You can clean them, and you can make them ready for the feature sets, right? So then in the week 3 to 4, what we are doing is we are discussing about the linear and non-linear models. There we will be dealing with classical ML models. These are some of the models, but we will be discussing more than this one. This is just a sample. So the linear regression, the logistic regression, decision trees, random forest, and SVM. There you will be learning what are what models are coming for the regression, what model are coming for the classification. Okay, mainly those are the supervised learning. Okay, and also we will be discussing XGBoost and other advanced traditional machine learning models. Also, we will be learning about the model evaluation and metrics, because that is the most important thing. By learning those, by building those models, you will be working. You are not just learning those models. What you are doing, you are doing hands-on experience and doing some basic projects related to them, and after that you will be getting experience to do advanced projects. Okay, this is not like just a toy data set projects, and also not like Titanic data set project, not like that. You are working with real world projects. Okay, but to understand these things, these basics, you will be doing some basics projects as well. So the metrics are you normally people know about the main metric. They know about the accuracy. Accuracy is coming for which category also you have to know, because those are the understanding. So you will be learning the performance metrics like precision, recall, F1 score, and the other metrics. Okay, the second month is fully allocated for deep learning and generative foundation, and this month is the month what we are shifting from predictive AI to generative AI. Predictive AI is the core concept, and the generative AI was the emerging and the present situation, present state, which is required in the industry for 2026. So our core goal is to understand about neural networks and training pipelines, computer vision and NLP systems, and also the large language models and with transformer architecture. So if we elaborate the things in the week 5 to 6, we will be learning about multi-layer perceptron, backpropagations, very deep understanding about them, and the gradient descent and the optimization techniques, and also where they are what are the tools that we use. We are using PyTorch for that one, and you will be getting complete understanding about the computer vision. They are using this. You are using CNN. If you want to apply for any jobs related to computer vision, that means there are several jobs have published related to computer vision. They are requesting an engineer related to computer vision. So getting this experience by doing these projects, you can prove that you have the solid understanding about this neural networks and their applications. So in week 7 to 8, we will be discussing about the natural language processing. That means that is the transformer revolution. We will be using transformer architecture, getting fully understanding about the transformer architecture. So you will be understanding about word embeddings, attention mechanism, and the transform architecture. So you're using the tools like Hugging Face ecosystem, the Llama, and the BERT, and many others. Okay, you will be learning those things there, and the critical skills that you are learning is you will be understanding about what is tokenization, and the context windows, how is the behavior of the prompts and their limitations. And the third month and the last month, we will be learning about agentic AI, RAG, and the machine learning operations. So the main areas that we are covering in the third month and the final month, we will be discussing RAG systems, agentic workflow, and the AI orchestration, and also how to do a production ready scalable system. Okay, and also how to monitor and monitor the performance of the system. Okay, so if we elaborate the things in the week 9 to 10, we will be discussing about RAG. There are our tech stack is vector databases. You will be learning what are the vector databases, because we are getting solid understanding about RAG. The text text which is highlighted in this slide, though not only those things, this is just a brief elements what I have outlined, so you can get the very solid understanding about the thing. That the week 11 you will be understanding about how to use APIs and the how to search the web, how to execute a code and manage workflow. That means fully implement in agentic AI tool by your own, so that we can use the frameworks like LangGraph and Crew AI. For the 20, then the week 12, we will be discussing about the machine learning operation, MLOps, and deployment. There we will get very good understand, very solid understanding about Docker and Fast API. Those are the things what we learn. In addition to the things what I highlighted, we will be working with massive data sets, and we will be working with big data. Big data means those are massive data which cannot be processed using traditional softwares, because they want to have the because traditional software or the storage like relational databases, this big data like this social media data cannot be stored. Therefore you want to have some techniques like Hadoop, Spark. So those things also you will be learning within this 3 months. So you can see this is a very rigorous course, very rigorous and very solid, and all fundamentals are included, because you can see there are several courses, but that doesn't make a person with this type of solid background. So I invite you to participate for our information session. To get into that information session, what you want to do is, there is a Google form attached to this description of this YouTube, and you can fill that Google form. Then our team will coordinate with you and ask you to participate for the what we call information session. After the information session, okay, you are not directly enrolled for the course after the information session, because this is only for AI enthusiasts and those who are really willing to build scalable production ready application. So that's why I'm sacrificing my time for this one. This is not just for money, because this allocating time, I can build some projects by using this allocating time. Okay, this is to build a very great network of professionals. So therefore, I don't want to enroll all the people who are filling the Google form. What I will be doing, we will be first, there will be a phase of registration. In that registration phase, after the registration, we will be interviewing you. I want to see what is your background, what are your lacking points, what are your pain points, what are the things you want to do, how do you see yourself after completing this course, and where do you want to go Okay, so how we can help you to go to the place what you are willing to go. There will be a very fascinating interview. So this is a one-to-one interview. So I will be what we call, I will be personally interviewing you and understanding your background and your skills and pain points. So that is the first phase. And after the first phase, you can participate for our course. You will be given a sufficient time to enroll for the course. So those are the things I want to highlight. So this is to build our great network, and this network is built in by using uh, giving you the solid background and the knowledge. So stay with us, and we'll do something together, and we'll build something together. Thank you very much.